Yeah. The choke is weird. It's like a horizontal choke.
Oh shit! No! No! No!
Fuck!
This guy fell.
Oh my lord.
Oh my!
How the hell? Wait, no, stay there, stay there. Bobby can make a portal and get you out.
You've got to be fucking kidding me, Zach. I'm playing with two fucking noobs! Oh, there's... Are you shooting or what?
Yeah, I was shooting. I'm hoping people try to come get me.
Oh my god,
Oh,
you
you
noob.
noob.
Don't. Why would you do that?
Oh my god. I don't know how I did not. Oh my god.
Oh my god, this fucking kid. I don't know how I'm gonna get you out, dude. Dude, you need it. I don't know how I'm gonna get you out.
You gotta be super careful if you jump.
There's no chance, dude! You're dead! There's no chance, I'm getting you!
Super small. No.
Do you want turkey burgers or do
I
you
can't
want
see.
grillers?
Griller's fine. Here.
I can't even see!
I'll shoot up.
Okay, hold on. Stop. I wanna see where it drops.
Oh, I can almost.
I'm good! Okay, ready?
Alright, make a 4-0. Make a 4-0.
Oh my god, there's only 3 steps left!
You should be able to land right here.
Okay.
You should be able to land right here.
I'm trying.
Wait, why didn't you make it from the very top?
Oh hell yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Same, nigga!
Oh, that was good as shit,
Oh my
dude.
god!
Alright.
Same, dude. My god! Saved so hard by this raid!
Oh. I failed that jump.
Fucking saved so hard!
Purple armor.
Oh. That's sightseeing.
Purple armor for sightseeing.
Alright, yo, let's go. There's only 2 spots left.
Oh my goodness, that was like the play of the game.
Okay, if we win this, dude, oh my god. That's fucking play. Dude, oh my god, why am I not Twitch streaming right now? So much funny shit's happened today.
Dude, I have the streamer right now.
Dude, but you had to see it from my point of view. Oh my god.
Were you watching my screen,
noise,
Dan?
guys? Do you guys hear that?
Were you watching my screen when I was running down? When I jumped?
There's another care pack.
Hello.
Right there.
I wasn't really paying attention. I'll have to rewatch this later.
Hey, let's take this zipline and go get that care pack.
Wait.
Okay.
Hold on. Why?
Oh shit, there's a team!
Why are you so fucking loud, Nate?
What?
Guys, stop! There's a team! What are you doing? Stop! There's a team!
There's a team over there.
You sound like a fucking lawnmower.
Hey, he's
Oh,
coming!
my girl?
Yeah.
He's coming, dude! Medic! She's here!
Oh, okay, I'm coming back to you guys.
I need a...
I don't know where she went.
You're talking about my mic or my character?
I can't hear your character.
Dude, what the fuck? There's a medic here, guys.
He is not
He took
hear
the
that.
zipline off.
Oh, I hear her.
Over here, guys. What? There's no way!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude.
Fuck.
I got fucking
Nate's-
lasered.
Nate's lifeline got fucking glitched. Like you sound like a fucking lawnmower. Like the closer you get to me, the fucking louder it gets. Like it's extremely loud.
Lawnmower.
I could not even hear this girl's footsteps.
Oh my god, what the fuck? That was just a shit show. That was just a fucking shit show game.
Yeah, it was. It was just die res. Waterfall.
Die res. Falls down the fucking bottom of the waterfall.
I jumped in and I didn't realize that was like, oh shit, that's falling off the earth. So I I somehow was able to hold on to that ledge.
That's funny.
Yeah, too bad. Oh, it would have been so funny seeing it from your point of view.
It was hilarious. I just fall all the way down thinking I'm gonna die and then grab to the ledge and see this monk legend sitting praying for his life.